All set.
Yeah.
Bubba, what are you doing? Go and get Grandpa Sawyer now. Okay.
Cut.
Oh, hang on, stop. I guess I better be sitting here. Cut. Good evening, never mind. Good evening, family. First of all, I'd like to welcome our guest, Liz. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Good evening, family. First of all, I'd like to welcome our guest, Liz. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Everybody ready for the prayer? As I always say, as long as we stay together, I can't remember.
There ain't nothing.
There ain't nothing. Action. As I always say, as long as we stick together, there ain't nothing we can't handle. We are survivors, and we will survive. And thanks to Tina, we now have some food. Cut. See, I told you, all our waiting's paid off. As long as we keep moving and I keep selling my prize chili, we're gonna live as long as Grandpa. Cut. See, I told y'all our waiting would pay off, and I just looked at the camera. See, I told y'all our waiting would pay off. As long as we keep moving the way we are, and I keep selling my prize chili, we're gonna live as long as Grandpa. Cut. Now dig in.
Cut. Here comes the plane.
shove it in her throat, Bob.
I can't. She won't open her mouth.
Fine, we'll make her. Bubba, get the saw.
No! 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 Get away from me!
Here comes the flame.
Just shove it down her throat, Nubbins.
I can't. She won't open her mouth.
That's it, Bubba. Get the saw.
No! 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 Leave me alone! No!
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, wait,
Hang on.
I'm sorry, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. No! No! That goes to you for the rest of your family! Actually, no! 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 That goes to you and the rest of your family! I don't know, look at me.
You think you're so smart, girl? Now,
Oh God.
you think you're so smart, girl? Oh,
Do you
you think you're so smart, girl? You can't talk to this family like that. You think you're so smart, Missy? You can't talk to this family like that. I can assure you this will be the last time you spit anything at one of the Sawyer. Cut. That's it, girl! Bubba, cut her up into a million pieces and I don't care if there's any left for chili. Okay. You hear me, Missy? You show us respect.
You people deserve no respect at all. This isn't family. This is a motherfucking. And then you.
I don't care if there's any good for chili.
No! Somebody! Somebody! No! Somebody! Somebody help!
Bubba, don't let her get away. I think I waited too long.
Yeah.
Bubba, don't let her get away. Cut.
Okay. Now. Action. 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 Action.
There. Like this.
Action. Action.
Okay, no, we don't do.
Now. Go. Action. Now. Now. Action. Action. Action.
We're watching the
Action. 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 Action.
Go! Go! Go!
Action. 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 Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep going.
Okay. I don't think I got it.
How you doing? Oh my God!
Where's the fake blood at?
Hello. We are right now filming our dancing clip. This is day 1 of 2. Here we are, turning out, getting ready for the next scene.
Jeff.
Look at how beautiful she looks. Good. And that's all thanks to our wonderful makeup artist. And we are very fortunate to have both of these girls that are showing high commitment by putting themselves through all this bull crap.
Hey, kitty, meow meow.
And this is our cat too. It's following us all day. Yes, indeed. Indeed. Not that it's gonna be good.
Be somebody.
So what's gonna happen, or what did happen, is the knife is gonna go in like that. Gonna go, and then the blood will have drained out all over her chest.
Really gross. Yeah, we need to really thicken it up.
What are you gonna do? So how long exactly did it take you to do what you have created so far?
I would say less than 10 minutes.
Unbelievable.
Tomorrow's gonna be intense though. We're gonna make it much more detailed. We're gonna give it texture. We're gonna build up some layers.
Worst case scenario, the stuff isn't gonna come out of your shirt.
Oh, I don't really
That
care
was
about. I don't
true.
care about this shirt, so it's all good.
No, but we need it for tomorrow, and we
Yeah.
need it to look clean.
I'll try to get my mom to get everything out.
A lot of soap, I imagine.
Yeah. I'll just be like, Mom, I got blood everywhere.
But it wasn't my,
Wash it.
but it wasn't my fault.
Whoops, yellow. Get off of there. I only added yellow on there for the infection of his mask. I didn't want it for this.
Take it.
Oh, you keep breaking action it.
Action!
No, don't touch me! No! Oh! Don't! Somebody help! Somebody help! No!
Leatherface, get out of here!
Get away! Get away from me! No! No!
Okay, cut. Hold on a second.
Action!
Don't! Get away from me! No! No! No!
Leatherface, get out of here!
From me! Somebody help! No! Tina! Tina!
Action! Action! Action!
Leatherface, get out of here!
Action!
Hey, how you doing? Okay, cut.
Okay.
And I'll be holding my leg. Ow. Okay, and then ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
That would have been funny.
That with the other hand.
Action.
One sec, I think we have to do that again.
Action.
Oh, please, my legs hurt.
Action.
Baba, good up. Young me tonight. Okay, hold on.
Action.
Baba, here you go. Now, some young meat tonight. You know what to do.
Action. Action.
That's a good sound.
Action.
That's a good sound. Get in there. Cut it. What? Get in. I thought I heard another voice. Get in. I thought I heard another voice.
What's going on in here?
Okay. Good. We have them, Cook. See, one's right there, and the other one's dead.
You stupid idiot! You should have killed her, not tied her to a chair.
It wasn't my idea. It was all Florida's idea. I tried to tell him, but he wouldn't listen.
Cut.
Cut.
And pause. Sorry. Well, why'd you do that? On second thought, Bubba, don't kill her. It wouldn't be nice. Let's treat our guest nice. She can stay for dinner. Cut. She can stay for dinner.
Well, no, I guess we have other than murder. I forgot what we're doing. That was fun.
All the things I
Action.
Trust me, I know exactly where we are.
Well, then where are we then? This looks like the middle of nowhere.
Action.
Trust me, I know exactly where we are.
Well, where are we then? This looks like the middle of nowhere.
Action.
Hey! Looks like there's a gas station up ahead. We should try there.
And action.
Cut. Really good. Holy crap.
Action.
It looks like there's a gas station up ahead. We should probably try there.
We're right here. Wait, no, we're right here. Oh my gosh, the map is upside down. I told you we should have just grabbed the GPS.
Action.
Right here. No, wait, we're over here. Oh my goodness, the upside down. We're actually right here. I told you we should just grab the GPS.
And there's the car.
Action!
Okay, so we're right here. No, wait, we're over here. Oh my gosh, the map is upside down, but I'm pretty sure we're right over here. I told you we just should have grabbed the GPS.
I'm sorry.
Well.
That
Action!
Okay, so we're right here. No, wait, we're over here. Oh my goodness, the map is upside down. We're right here, right? I told you we just should have grabbed the GPS.
hey, it looks like there's a gas station up there. We should probably go there and ask for some directions. Let's go.
Action!
Fine, I knew what we were doing anyway.
God.
Action!
Oh, fine. I told you I knew what I was doing anyway.
Wait. Crap.
Get it started.
Yep. Try not to get down. Action! 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 Action.
Oh my gosh, this chili is so good. Do you want some?
No thanks, I'm fine.
Are you sure? It's like really good.
I just don't like the idea that you're eating something given to you by a complete stranger.
What's wrong with strangers?
You can't just take food from random people. You don't know what's in it. Oh my god, look out!
In action.
Oh my gosh, this chili is so good. Do you want some?
No thanks, I'm fine.
Are you sure? It's like really good.
I just don't like the idea that you're eating something given to you by a complete stranger.
What's wrong with strangers?
You can't just take food from random people. You don't know what's in it.
Holy shit! Except yell it, like,
Yeah.
scream.
When?
Got that. Yep. Okay.
Look out!
Give him a thumbs up. All right, we can give him a thumbs up.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Action.
Gee, thanks, doing this. Hey, do you know where I am? Because I don't. I'm lost.
Where do you live?
Action.
Gee, thanks, doing this. Hey, do you know where I am? Because I don't. I'm lost, and I need to get home. I'm late for dinner.
Well, where do you live?
Me? I live at my home.
But where's your address?
35 Chapel Street.
Well, we could
Yeah.
take you there. What? The least we
Really?
can do is give this man a ride home. We just ran him over with the car.
Okay, cut.
Action.
Gee, thanks, goodness. You know where I am? Because I don't. I'm lost. I need to go home. I'm late for dinner.
Well, where do you live?
Me? Why? Well, I live at my home.
Well, where's the address?
35 Chapel Street. Yeah,
Oh, well, we can take you there.
really?
Yeah, the least we can do is give this man a ride home after we just ran him over with the car.
That just went by.
Yeah.
Action.
Gee, thanks, strangers. Hey, do you know where I live?
Action.
Gee, thanks, strangers. Hey, gee, do you know where I am? Because I don't. I'm lost, and I need to get home. I'm late for dinner.
Where do you live?
Me? Wow. I live at my home.
But where's the address?
35 Chapel Street.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, we can take you there. What?
Really?
Yeah, the least we can do is give this man a ride home. We just ran him over with the car.
Action. Action.
Turn right here. My homie's right up there. Turn right up here. My homie's right up there.
Okay. need to turn it on.
Okay.
So, yep, it's recorded.
We'll just cut all this out then.
Yeah, I do a lot of that.
Oh no. This is
Don't worry.
not cool. There, wait. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Wait a second. It goes in there. Ha! Ha!
Aha!
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm just gonna put this knife right in here. Okay, is everybody ready?
Yep.
On my mark. Okay? Action.
Hey, isn't this the place where that guy said the cabin was? Ah! Okay. Okay.
I'm kind of lost and I need some.
And who are you supposed to be?
I'm.
Okay, so, I think we'll cut it right when
Okay.
you say who are you supposed to be. And I'm just gonna come around behind your shoulders.
Okay.
So, yeah.
It's too bad we couldn't have.
Yeah, like a,
Airplane.
yeah, like a, yeah, something like
Is that a
that.
DVD? No. Just television.
There's supposed to be scary stuff on 55 if you want to switch it.
Is there?
Just remotes right there.
Oh, okay.
I think it's all old stuff.
What the heck is this?
Oh, this is, I've seen this before. Oh, what movie is this again? Oh, I forget. Do you want to reshoot it though with
Yeah,
the scary movie in the back?
yeah, that's a good idea.
Perfect.
So,
We
yeah,
may potentially have another actor to use at some point in time. So are you named Jason Cole? Oh, okay.
okay. So once Danielle comes in, I'm just gonna pan over to you and say, well, who are you supposed to be? And that will be,
Yeah, and then we stop. Okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
Yep.
action.
I'm kind of lost and I need some.
And who are you supposed to be?
Action.
I'm Tina, and my friend Liz is with me. Well, not with me, but in the car traveling with me, and we need directions.
Where are you heading?
To our friend's cottage.
Well, what does the cottage look like?
I don't know, I haven't been there yet. My friend said it's a surprise.
Surprise, eh? Well, I think I know what cottage you're talking about.
Really?
Go.
Really?
Yeah. Go down the highway and turn left, and I better do that again.
Shoot.
Really?
Yeah. Just head down the highway and turn left.
What was that?
Well, oh no.
Action.
Down Culloden Road and fourth turn down the left.
Shoot.
Sorry. Just looking at you. Not you.
Action.
Down Culloden Road, fourth turn on the right.
Now.
Okay, so fourth turn on Culloden, and you just turn right. Okay, thanks.
You're welcome there, little lady. Oh, and here. Take this. Best chili in town.
Go.
Okay, so fourth right turn on Culloden then. Thanks.
My pleasure, little lady. Oh, and here. Take this.
Go.
What's in it?
Oh, the best darn chili you'll ever have. My own recipe. Made me a winner twice at the annual chili cook-off. That's just a little sample for you and your buddy. Hope you like it.
Go.
Oh, thank you. Have a nice day.
And we'll see you later. We will.
Dun dun dun.
Okay.
Go. Now. Hi. Go. Go.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. And action.
There. Oh, it's on your teeth.
I have no idea what you're saying.
So gross.
Action. Go. See what up. Okay? And go. And lift the chainsaw up.
You know, new rumors starting about where McDonald's beef comes from, right?
Yeah. I
It's
know.
fine.
It might be.
It's on
Oh.
YouTube. Face.
Action. See if you can open your mouth, actually. Oh, Action. Now. Action.